Good afternoon. My name is Victor Yebade, and I am the project manager for Group 1 Synergy Crew for Homework 3. My team consists of Sai, Tyler, Goda, Arafat, Ibrahim, Priyanka. So, to give a quick recap on what we've done so far, we selected the configuration number 18 out of the 24 possible considerations we had in week 1, and whereby the reason for our selection was due to cost and also the ability to maintain. So, which was 38 feet fiberglass single edging and 3 over 4 cabin and considerations. So also we are currently practicing the pure project structure organization for the both developments. But now to talk about the summary of the entire major system category. So in order for us to be able to generate our bill of materials, we categorize them into major system categories, and which was in total of 9, from the all construction materials to the freshwater systems as shown on the PowerPoint. Now, at the end of the research, we had a total number of 105 individual components, which had a total cost of all materials to be $174,055. So the way we did our team delegation was based on subject matter expert. For example, we delegated some of these major system categories to each member of the teams based on their confidence level and also their experience and also their background or their technical expertise in having a diligent research methodologies and knowledge in that particular base area. For example, the propulsion system was delegated to Arafat because she is a chemical engineer and she also has experience in working in an engine industry. So that is how we delegated most of these among each other. We looked for our strengths and we decided among each other on which would best fit for us to make sure the research upon, while the rest can provide support on the others. So let's go into more details of each of these major system categories. So for the all construction materials itself, we have a total of 19 different components, which is ranging from the Evercoat polyester, which is the most percentage out of 100%, which is 23%, to the release agent. So what we do assume is that we assume that the total hull and the deck weight is going to be 10,000 pounds, which is a 50% of the total vessel. So we are going to be assuming the total vessel will be 20,000 pounds. So we made a calculation of getting the right quantities and also the right amount, which is shown. Now, for example, now the fiberglass material, which has a total weight of 1,360, and we are going to be needing 31, and which is mentioned in the rule, and we will be able to get this from West Marine, and this sum of the total unit cost for each, or the total unit cost is going to be $950, which will equals to $29,769. So there's a lot of calculation that went into having the entire total hull materials and total cost, which gave us a total of $94,948 in total for the hull material itself, which is actually the most part of all the components. Also, the propulsion system and the engine also So we understand base our engine based on our configuration settings, and after doing the diligent research, we came up with the best component that we feel is going to be the best fitted to make the boat, which was about $47,115 total. Um, and for the electrical system, um, the total is going to be $6,127 dollars. And also, most of these materials can be gotten from the popular marine websites such as West Marine, and also all the website that could have the particular component that we are looking for, as previously mentioned in the propulsion and the whole material system. Now, for the freshwater system, also we have some quantities that were gotten from a different supply, which is Fisheries Supply Marine website, and from the the Flow Master water pressure system to the Water Marine Outwear, the Whale, the Elegance Mixer, and Faucet and Showers, which comes at a cost of $1,709.82. The sanitation system also based on the requirement for our boat, and we had a total of $3,197 from the piping connections to the deck discharges, and those are the necessary things we will be needing for the sanitation. The navigation system and everything that comes with the navigating through the ocean or through the waterway. So from the GPS to the LED lighting packages, and which comes at the cost of $12,952. The anchoring system itself comes at a total cost of $3,625. Now, for the research system itself, so the major research system as provided in the homework is the crane, which should have a lifting capacity of 200 pounds. So I was able to get one that meets the requirement from the Atkins and Hoyle website, and which is at a total cost of $1,950 dollars cost. So for the other ends and hulls, such as the boat covers, the binoculars, and some other miscellaneous substances, it comes at a total cost of $2,427. So these all come together to provide out 94,000 in thousand in approximately for the bill of materials. And also this is attached to the Excel sheet that is sent in the email. Yes. So thank you for uh, everything.